You all in this week's portion, Pasha of Va'era, which means God is revealing himself to Moses. We see an incredible dialogue, a negotiation, and two different perspectives between what Moses understands, even though he's the greatest of prophets and Massiah, and between God himself. Moses understands that since God has sent him and there's so much trouble, therefore, God is not listening and he's forsaking him, like David said at the time of sorrow and need in Psalms. God, why have you forsaken me? But God is saying, let me tell you, please, my dear son, when a woman is giving birth and the pangs of birth are getting stronger and quicker, does that mean that the baby is forthcoming, or does that mean that trouble is forthcoming? It actually is a sign by nature that I'm bringing the birth. And this is what your perspective doesn't allow you to understand. And as it was then, also today in our day and age, we see worldwide, we see volcanoes, tsunamis, floods, we see the tectonics are moving, the plates of the earth are being moved. The scientists, you see them crying all over the world, scientists, Japanese, Chinese, American, etc., because this kind of catastrophe did not happen for thousands of years. And therefore, they are foreseeing terrible, terrible forecasts in the climate of the planet, let alone wars everywhere around in Ukraine, by the Houthis, in Yemen, between NATO forces, in the Gaza Strip, in the north, by the Hezbollah in Lebanon. And therefore, people are really frustrated and asking, God, why have you forsaken us? And the answer is, on the contrary, the pangs are getting so strong that we are waiting right now for the Messiah. So let's help all of us doing it by more unity, more love for each other, more understanding, more compassion, more respect. We can respectfully disagree, but at least respectfully. And less gossip and more keeping of the 10 commandments, especially getting away from adultery, adultery, keeping the Sabbath, keeping the laws of kosher, of the right way of the right things of eating, and keeping our moral and ethical standards. God bless you.